So I'm actually running VS Code inside my Chrome browser, and that thing is freaking awesome. It's amazing. It's pretty fast. Oh Jesus. In this video, I'm just going to try to show you how I got here. And basically, this functionality, this browser support for VS Code isn't official yet, and Microsoft has announced that they will make it official some month ago, and actually it's still not official. I don't know why, but I just have access to to that functionality. And so I was just surfing in the internet, and then I just found this repo right here. And this is the official repo to get that functionality, that browser support for your VS Code inside Chrome. And the thing is pretty simple, right? You just have to follow those steps.
And actually, what I do is just copy those two commands, and I'm just going to take the first one, come back to my comments prompt, and then enter and then pass the code. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do that again. I'm going to take the other one, and also I've already done all this.
So once you're okay with it, you'll have to type in something like code server, and code server is actually the program that's gonna run VS Code inside your browser. So I'm gonna tap enter, and then it'll run something like this. And what you'll do is just copy this link right here. I'm just gonna keep this and then go back to my browser and enter the link. Tap enter, and that's it. I actually have VS Code running inside my browser. So that's it. I hope you guys just like this video, and yeah, so maybe I'll see you in another video. So that's it. You have VS Code running inside your server. So yes.